What are the important life practices that you should implement in the first year following your divorce? I'm a board certified divorce lawyer and I have three suggestions here. Do something fun, do something social, do something healthy every day or at least every week. What do we mean by all this? Do something fun. Find something that excites you. There has to be something in this world that you wanted to be doing during your marriage that you weren't doing. Go find one of those things. It can be doing a class, it can be going back to school, it can be sitting down in front of the TV and having a beer without being bitched at. It can be literally anything under the sun. Find something that's fun for you and do it. Try to do it every day. At least try to do it every week. Number two, do something social. Get yourself around other people, other positive people. Studies show that people are happier when they have positive social relationships. Go get some. It doesn't mean you have to be dating. It just can mean you're making friends. There's loads of ways to do this. The easiest way, in my opinion, is to get involved with a gym or get involved with the church. There's a lot of people that have similar interests in both of those places that you'll be able to be friends with. You just need to talk to them. For more strategies on this, a great therapist can help. There's also a book I read recently that was outstanding in suggestions for this. It's called The Let Them Theory by Mel Robbins. Part of the book details how to make new relationships when you don't have any or many. Number three, do something healthy. You just went through a dramatic phase of your life by ending your marriage and getting divorced. It would be a real waste if you don't have your health. Do something every day to make yourself healthier. Look at the foods you're eating. Do some exercise. Preferably eat healthy and exercise. You can do that every day. You can make the time. You owe it to yourself to be healthy. When you develop healthy habits, you develop the foundation that allows you to have fun and have better relationships and ultimately have a better life that lasts longer. Those are my hot tips. Like and subscribe for more information and check out the links in the description for how to get your divorce done on fair terms as soon as possible. Catch you next time.